Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another Python open source package for generating random set of tabular user data for API testing or any sort of testing. So this is actually a Python script that I developed. It uses also Pandas library as well. And here if I execute this, first of all you do need to import the necessary packages here. So one such package is using is Mimesis, which is a popular package for generating random set of data. So the command is simple. You simply install this pip install mimesis. This is actually the package name here. So after you import this, now we can run this Python script here. As soon as you can see, the data has been generated and saved in a CSV file, and you can see it contains two columns here. You can have as much column names as you want. We have the two string columns, name and country. So every time you generate these names, these countries will be random. Here you can see again the data has been generated and it's random. So now let me show you how to get started. The full source code is given in the description of this video. So first of all, you import the package from Mimesis. We need to import the necessary packages, which is person, address and date time. And then from Mimesis enums, we need to import also the gender. So you can basically, it has a predefined set of random data types that you can import. And also we also need to import the pandas libraries for exporting this data to CSV. And now we initialize the actual person. So here we will provide what sort of person you want. So I will be wanting it in English language. And then the second data type will be an address. So it will also be in English language. So then we initialize the data frame. So this will be of type data time. So we initialize all the providers here, and then we set the today's date by date.today. And then we simply run a simple for loop, and we run it for 100 times to generate 100 set of unique users. So here we'll be appending this data here, data.append. So here will be containing these two columns, the name of the person so person dot full name. It contains this function which generates. So here you can even set the gender as well, what sort of gender name you want. So I will set it to female, and then for the country you can actually say address dot country. So it has a predefined methods, guys, you can see, for generating random data. You can check out their documentation. After that, now you can export all this data frames here. So we're simply using pandas library. So we can use the data frame and pass the data and export this data to CSV. So it also has methods for exporting it to Excel as well. So here we can set the file name, so data.csv and index. So here you can see data generated. Sorry, it is enums is SS now singular. Data is not defined. Did you mean date? Line number 50. Let me see what is. Okay, we haven't defined the data, so just define a variable for data. This will be an empty array. Just define this. You will see data generated, and it has created this data.csv file. So it's a very useful package inside Python for generating random data, and if you just search it on this website, you will find out this package Mimesis. It's a very popular package, fake data generator for applications. So you can provide schema here as well. You can check out their documentation. It's a very good module for fake data generator. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.